everyone, welcome to Housey. My name is Shruti and today we are here for the unboxing video of a very prime and luxurious project, the Satwa Lake Ridge by Satwa Groups, which is located in Neopolis, Hyderabad. Well, in this video, we will be talking about several points such as project overview, location and connectivity, amenities, parking provisions, carpet area, payment plan, possession timeline and much more. Now coming to Housey. What is Housey? Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the builders. There are no brokers, no middleman, nothing. Just you, the builder, and your dream home. Well, we here, the people of Housey, help you to buy your dream home on the rock bottom rate. Well, if you are planning for your dream home, Housey is your one-stop solution. Well, at first, coming to the project overview, this project is spreading across a massive land parcel of 25 acres, including 6 high-rise premium towers. We have 2 basement plus 3 podium plus ground plus 37 residential floors. Further, we have the configurations of 3 BHK, 3.5 BHK, 4 BHK and 5 BHK apartments designed spaciously with fully Vastu compliant. Well, this project is having a total of 897 total units. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of this project and behind me is the marketing office of Satwa Lake Ridge. Well, further you can see the neighborhood localities of this project. Well guys, this project is located in Neopolis, Hyderabad, which is near to Financial District. Well, this location is one of the prime and luxurious residential zones of Hyderabad. Well, now coming to the nearby landmarks. At first, we have ORR Exit 1, which is 1 minute in reach. Kokapet is 5 minutes away. Financial District is 7 minutes away. And Wipro Circle is 10 minutes in reach. Well, now if we talk about the amenities part, this project provides you with all the desired modern amenities you need in your day-to-day life. At first, if I talk about the internal amenities, this project provides you with spacious balconies, vertified tiles, branded sanitary ware, premium fittings, granite countertops and Vastu compliant layouts. Now coming to the external amenities part, this project is loaded with ultra luxurious amenities spread across the open space and clubhouse zone. Well, at first talking about the clubhouse, it is spread across a massive space of 62,000 square feet of area, continuing with a cricket net, basketball court, children's play area, open gymnasium, indoor gymnasium, multiple swimming pool, etc. Well, this project offers a vast 5 level of parking, which includes 2 basement level and 3 podium level of parking, ensuring ample space for your car. Well, now let me give a glimpse of the master plan. As you can see, there are 6 high-rise premium towers with an elevation of 37 residential floors. Further, you can see the clubhouse, which is of 62,000 square feet and a temperature-controlled swimming pool in the middle. Also, you can see pockets of amenities provided in the master plan. Well, this is the typical floor plan of Tower Cedar. Tower Cedar is having 5 apartments per floor, 4 lifts and 2 staircases. Well, flat number 1 and flat number 3 are of 3.5 BHK and flat number 2, flat number 4 and flat number 5 are of 3 BHK. Now coming to the sizes, the 3 BHK is starting from 2,152 square feet. Coming to the 3.5 BHK, it is starting from 2,744 SFT and going up to 3,336 SFT. The 5 BHK is ranging from 5,266 SFT. Well, now talking about the maintenance varies based on the configuration. From large size to premium apartments, it will differ from the amenities and sizes of the apartments. Well, the exact maintenance cost will be disclosed closer to the possession. Well, now coming to the payment scheme, it is a construction-linked payment plan. And further, if I talk about the possession is in 2 years down the line, which is December 2027. Well, this was the unboxing video of Satwa Lake Ridge, which is located in Neopolis, Hyderabad.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK, and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project unboxing videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.